T-Buck Construction is far and away the most versatile general contractor in the Northeast.
We do buildings, Walmarts and schools and prisons, and we have a group that does roads and the pipe work in the roads.
We specialize in many things as far as bridges, wastewater treatment plants, schools. So I'd like to say the best word is we're very versatile.
We, like every other industry, are looking for a new generation of workers that are looking to be innovative and find new ways to do things. And so the work that we do is infinite, and really the missing part is qualified, skilled workers.
From my experience, and I've worked at a few other construction companies, really the versatility of the workforce on this team is something that I didn't expect. Whether it's a bridge project or a treatment plant, you see an equipment operator that can also be a carpenter and place and finish concrete and tie rebar, and the same with a carpenter that can operate equipment.
Probably the most unique thing about us compared to a lot of other companies is T-Buck is so diversified that when you come to work, today you could be working, putting siding on a building like the guys behind us, or you could be working on a bridge over a river, you could be working in a wastewater treatment plant. So there's so many different tasks that our guys do during the course of the day that it never gets boring.
I started here 7 years ago, and we doubled the size of the company in about 3.5 years workforce-wise. Started doing a lot more projects. I mean, over the next few years, we have a lot of projects. Particularly right here, we have 4 more bridges to build over the next 3 years. So, and that's just for this project. There are many more, and where there's lots of room to grow, lots of things to do.
I know that we need people, and you know, we would love to have experienced in all the trades, but at the same time, we also know as supervisors that we need to take some time and train the new people. We have people that start with really no experience that maybe become a carpenter or an equipment operator to start and end up becoming one of those versatile people on the jobs.
If you're willing to learn and go the extra mile, we're willing to take you there. Being an employee-owned company allows you to grow with the company as well as be rewarded for longevity in the company.
You get to know the people, and I think because you work so much together, they become your friends. And that's something that I think is pretty unique.
Management is very involved. They care about what's going on and how you're doing, if you need anything, if they can help in any way possible to make your job and your career at T-Buck easier. And it's like a family with them. You can walk in and just have a conversation.
And they do a good job at listening to everyone from a laborer right up to superintendent to management, and I think that's one of their strengths.
We take the time to make sure that we train you into whatever you may want to do. Do you want to be an operator? Do you want to be a laborer? You know, you can start at the bottom and work your way to the top, and there's all kinds of room to grow here. I mean, a lot of the people that work with me we all know each other's families. We hang out outside of work. It's pretty nice.
The benefits are great. You walk in the door and you're treated like family from day one. And that's a huge for me. And I know it is for a lot of people to be treated like family.
T-Buck is in a perfect position in our economy right now. As most people know, our infrastructure is falling apart. Bridges, wastewater treatment plants, roads, we do all of them. So we are poised to be able to move to the future. Growth is endless. The potential is awesome here.